Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of inspirational jewelry with a focus on one particular gem that's caught our eye, the best Pink WWJD bracelet. Now, before we jump into the specifics, let me just say, this bracelet is more than just an accessory. It's a statement, a reminder, and a symbol of faith and inspiration. Crafted with care and attention to detail, each bracelet in this set is hand-strung with fine rice beads, ensuring durability and style. The pink hue adds a touch of elegance, making it perfect for any occasion. But what sets this bracelet apart is its message. WWJD, what would Jesus do? It's a powerful reminder to pause, reflect, and consider our actions in alignment with our faith. Whether you wear it as a single piece or stack them up for a bold statement, this bracelet is sure to spark conversations and inspire those around you. Now, while we don't rely solely on customer reviews, it's worth noting that those who have purchased this bracelet have been blown away by its quality and meaning. It's not just jewelry, it's a symbol of hope and strength. In conclusion, the best Pink WWJD bracelet is more than just a fashion accessory. It's a daily reminder of faith, compassion, and living in alignment with our beliefs. Whether you're treating yourself or gifting it to a loved one, this bracelet is sure to make a meaningful impact. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, remember to always ask yourself, what would Jesus do? Thanks for watching.